Let's learn a skating exercise that uses various muscles in your lower body. We will first do some stretching. Standing in a wide, open stance, bend over your upper body and push your knees with your elbows to raise your upper body and stretch your inner thighs. Naturally move back and forth and push your knees with your elbows so that the inside of your thighs are stimulated. Naturally raise your upper body again. Push your knees with your elbows as you exhale and raise your upper body and stretch slowly so that the inside of your thighs are stimulated. Naturally raise your upper body once more and push your knees to relax your inner thighs. Slowly raise your upper body and let's move to the first movement. Maintaining the wide open stance, stretch your back, lower your upper body, and inhale and exhale, and twist your upper and lower body in opposite directions. Exhale again and twist. And straighten your back so that your back doesn't bend. And don't lower your head, lift your chin up, and continue your movements while breathing. Again, stretch your back so that it doesn't bend. Exhale and move your upper and lower body in opposite directions. Continue on. This time, raise your upper body. Place your feet in the center and move them to the side. Let's try the upper body twisting movement. Imagine that you are skating as you do this movement. Exhale briefly and bend your upper body slightly and move like this so that your upper and lower body can cross each other. Back to the wide open stance again. Move your hips back a little bit. Press your knees in one direction and put your weight on one leg. Inhale and exhale, push your hips back and move your upper body forward. Inhale and exhale, straighten your spine and move your upper body forward as if you're going down a little bit by pushing your butt back. You can feel your lower body muscles being stimulated. Let's make sure the knees and toes are pointed in the same direction. The movements we learned this time will give you a great workout, and you can activate a variety of lower body muscles, but it might be hard for beginners who have little or no exercise experience. When that is the case, I'd like to recommend that you start with the first movement to loosen up the inner thighs and continue by raising the difficulty little by little.